Welcome students, today I'll be teaching you to make pattern of squares in which I'll teach you to make different squares without touching each other. So here I'll be teaching you to use pen command, pen up and pen down. You could see here Sprite is making 4 squares but they are not touching each other. So now directly I'll take you to the programming concept. So first of all, I'll go to events, one click, and then I have to add pen command from here because pen block is not available by default. So I'll just click upon this. Now I'll choose erase all, and after this I'll just select set pen size just to increase the width of the border. So I'm just making it to 4, could be 5, it depends upon my need. Now here I've not used pen down command, I'll be using it afterward because I have to make 4 squares in a series without touching each other. So here I'll be using repeat command. I'll go to control, repeat. If I have to make 4 squares, then I'll be typing here 4. Now this kind of coding I'll be doing in a little different way. So here after repeat I'll be using pen down command here. So I'll explain you why. Because I want that pen down should be used in repeat. Now here squares also I'll be making in little different way. Again I'll go to control, repeat, and here also I'll be using 4. Under 4, that means 4 times I want to repeat some commands. In motion I'll be using move command and turn command. Turn I want to use 90 and move I want to use 50, and then repeat this repeat command I want to drag inside this repeat command. So this is one repeat command, and under this loop I want to add this loop. Now this means this repeat 4 times, this will revolve, rotate 4 times inside this. Okay, so means now this is, now if I just click upon this, it will make a square, and after making a square, now again this is a loop, this is a main loop, and in this pen down command is there, and this repeat command again it will make a square 4 times, 4 different squares will be made. And here what I am doing, here I'll be using pen up command. Here I'll be using pen up command. And here I'll be using move step. So if I'll run this command, you could see here 4 squares are made, what I was wanting. But one problem is there, if I'll click it again the cat goes at the end part. So how to stop this? I can place my cat somewhere this side, and after placing it here it will show x1 minus 168 and y minus 2. Could see if I change the position, this numeric numbers also change. X position change, x moving this side it is moves into minus, moving this side it moves into plus, and the same way y moving up plus, down, minus. So I'll move somewhere here this side, so it is coming minus 182, 22. So I'll go to motion block here, and under motion block you could see here go to x minus 182 by 22. So it takes the default value what is being used here. So I'll use it here under when clicked. This means whenever I'll start the program, my sprite will go to this position, that means this position. So now I'll explain the program. When I click, firstly I'll use the program, how it's working. If I'll click it here, 4 squares, again 4 squares. So always it is going in the starting, and why it is going? Due to this command. Then erase all, set pen size, that is already clear to you. Now this repeat 4 times. Due to this repeat, only 4 different squares are being made. This repeat. If this repeat is out, nothing will be done. So after the pen down command, this repeat 4 times. It is making a square. It is making a square. And then after that, a single square is being made. The pen up command, that means pen is up. Then the sprite moves 80 steps. So sprite is here. And then repeat command, like pen down, after the pen down repeat command, it will make the square like this. 1, it is making like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, or like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then afterwards, when this repeat is over, this repeat is over, this repeat is over, after this it moves towards the pen up command. Then the pen is up. So when the pen is up, it will not make any line. Then it will move this side, 80 steps it will move. And after moving forward, again it will, the loop, as the loop is over, it will go on the start. Again the pen down is there, and then again this loop will start. Then again it will make the square like this. The same way, pen up, again it will move next position, and then again the pen down command will be used, and again the new square will be made. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. It is working fine. Now if you want to change the color of the square, you can easily do it. That's not difficult. Under pen command, you know very well. Change pen color, you can use. You can place it here. So colorful squares are made in a pattern. You can make 4, 5, 6 according to your need. You can make different squares. So with this, I am ending my program. I'll be waiting for your comments. If there is any need to clarify anything, you can always comment. And to see the other tutorials based upon this Scratch language, you can always go to the playlist and check the other programs. Okay, finally, bye bye.